In this video, I'll show you how to review and process EU withdrawal requests in WooCommerce. Once customers start submitting withdrawal requests, store administrators need a practical way to review them and make a decision. That's exactly what SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce is designed to provide. You'll find the link in the description. Let's start in the WooCommerce Orders screen. When a withdrawal request is submitted, both the customer and the store administrator receive an email notification automatically. Orders with withdrawal requests can also be identified directly from the orders list. As you can see, a dedicated review action is available in the Order Actions column. Let's click it. This opens the withdrawal request review screen. At the top, you can immediately see the most important information related to the request. This includes the request ID, the associated WooCommerce order, the current request status, and the response deadline. The deadline is especially important, as it helps store administrators keep track of the time available to process the request. Let's start with the Summary tab. Here you can review the customer information and the products included in the withdrawal request. You can also see when the request was submitted. If the order contains downloadable products, any withdrawal waiver acceptance is displayed here as well. Download activity associated with the order is also available directly from this screen. And if the customer included a message when submitting the request, it will appear here for review. Next, let's take a quick look at the Order tab. This section provides direct access to the order details associated with the request. Having the order information available within the review workflow makes it easier to evaluate the request without navigating through multiple WooCommerce screens. Now let's open the Customer tab. This section provides a summary of the customer's history in your store. You can see how many orders the customer has placed, the total amount spent, and access their complete order history. This additional context can sometimes be useful when reviewing a request. Next, let's review the Logs tab. Every important event related to the withdrawal request is recorded automatically. Here we can see when the request was created, any download activity detected at the time of submission, and the notifications sent to both the customer and the store administrator. This creates a complete audit trail of the withdrawal workflow. Instead of relying on emails or manual notes, all relevant events remain attached to the request. Finally, let's open the Resolution tab. This is where the final decision is recorded. Before processing the request, you can add a custom message for the customer. For example, you might include return instructions when approving a request, or explain the reason for a rejection. Let's enter a message. Once you're ready, simply approve or reject the request. The request status is updated automatically. The customer then receives an email notification containing both the outcome and your message. This creates a structured workflow for reviewing and processing withdrawal requests directly inside WooCommerce. Customer information, order details, download activity, logs, and resolution tools are all available from a single screen. That's how you can review and process EU withdrawal requests in WooCommerce using SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce.